All right, we're gonna unbox these Soundcores. I got these because I was tired of my other ones totally canceling out stuff when I'm on the bus or when I'm in the street. I need to have situational awareness. I couldn't hear anything. So these are over the ears, so you can hear what's going on outside. Kind of that in focus. Kind of looks like this. I like the Soundcore noise canceling headphones, the ones that go over the ear, and they're very nice. This is not opening. I should have got a knife. Oh, come on with this stupid thing. Okay, I guess I won't be returning these. Thanks, Soundcore. All right, open this up, and I guess I'll give you a review once I get it. Comes with all the stuff. Charging cord, the USB, the whatever, the USB, the blah, 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 blah. And let's see here. Comes in this plastic case. And, oh, this is a big. These actually look pretty nice. What the hell's this tab? For your protection. Oh, I guess it's not charging when it's, I guess. I don't know. All right. Hopefully it doesn't take too long to charge. And let's see what happens. Thank you. Send me referrals.